Today's video has kindly been sponsored by FlexiSpot, more on them later, and also the scalemodelingchannel.shop. Please go check it out. The new website is now live and we're constantly adding new products to get you a better shopping experience and the best possible tools and materials for your hobby needs. With all of the sponsored nonsense out of the way for now, it is time to move on to today's actual project, and that is a joint effort between my wife and Kevin. Now this model is from Agora Models. You've seen many of their models on this YouTube channel before, and there's probably a couple more to come. If you are aware by now, then I probably don't need to tell you, and if you're not, then I'm going to be telling it to the ones that are not familiar with it. These models come pre-painted and simply just need to be assembled. Some of the parts are press fit, other parts need to be screwed together, and I'm not going to be showing all of the screwing as that's not the kind of website to do that for here. So I'm just going to do the assembly process itself, and that is just putting parts together and having a fun little video to watch. Now in this first episode, my wife will be assembling all of the engine components, and then it will be handed over to Kevin for part 2 of this video series to do all of the interior work, exterior work, and final assembly. Now I won't be talking about anything all that much after this point, apart from a couple more things that this video will simply just be a bit of assembling. And if you're interested in one of these models or any of the other models Agora has to offer, links will be in the description down below to the Agora Models website, where you can find everything they offer for your country. Now I am aware that they can be a bit pricey, it's not for everyone, and I would kindly suggest to respect everyone's opinion and don't go storming down into this comment section and flaming off all of your anger towards the price point of these model kits. I'm fully aware, again, it's not for everyone, and simply just enjoy the video and see how it's all assembled right here by my wife for the engine, and then, yeah, you know. Okay, bye. I want to give a shout out to FlexiSpot for sponsoring today's video and also upgrading my workshop. And workshop, I mean editing station and also the workbench, and mainly just the seat that I'm sitting on. Now, for some reason, and I'm not really sure how, they figured out that I was sitting on quite an uncomfortable little stool during the editing and sometimes also when working on my models, and they figured I could use a really good upgrade. Now, they do currently also have a sale on their website for Black Friday, and I will be leaving a link and also a discount code in the description down below. The upgrade that I sent for my workspace is their new C7 office chair. This one is incredibly comfortable, has fantastic and adjustable lumbar support, so you don't need to put a pillow behind your back. The seat cushion is also wider and therefore making it a lot more comfortable to sit on. You can also adjust the depth. Not only that, you can also adjust the headrest and of course also the armrests. Now, even though this is an office chair, it's of course not only work, work, work. You do need to relax a little bit as well. This one comes with a pull-out footrest. You can sit with your legs crossed, your foot's on the footrest, or any other position that makes it a lot more comfortable for you to relax a little bit during your break or just a little bit of time off. If any of that sounds interesting to you, do check out the link in the description down below. They currently have a Black Friday sale with huge discounts, and I also have a discount code for you in the video description down below, besides the link to FlexiSpot. Please do check them out. Thank you, FlexiSpot, for sponsoring this video, and now back to work. With the engine now fully assembled by my wife, it is time to move over the rest of the model to Kevin in order to finish it off. That will be in part 2 of this video series. In the meantime, don't forget to check out FlexiSpot and their Black Friday sale. Again, a link and discount code will be in the description down below.